Hey there, truckers and fleet owners. If you've ever dealt with an automated transmission issue, you know how frustrating and costly it can be. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the most common problems with automated transmissions on semi-trucks, and most importantly, we're going to talk about how to prevent them. Let's keep your truck on the road and out of the shop. Automated manual transmissions like the Eaton UltraShift or the Detroit DT12 are designed to combine the efficiency of a manual gearbox with the convenience of automation. But just like any other system, they have their quirks and potential trouble spots. Let's start by looking at the most common issues truckers face with these transmissions: clutch problems. The clutch is the most critical component in an automated transmission. Over time, wear and tear can lead to slipping, improper engagement, or failure to shift smoothly. Common symptoms include jerky shifting or gear hunting. To avoid clutch problems, make sure you stick to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule and calibrate the clutch regularly using proper diagnostic tools. Sensors like the input and output shaft speed sensors help the transmission control module decide when to shift gears. A faulty sensor can cause erratic shifting or even prevent the transmission from working correctly. During routine maintenance, check these sensors for wear and damage and replace them if necessary. Low or dirty transmission oil can lead to overheating and excessive wear of internal components. Symptoms include hard shifting or slipping gears. Make it a habit to check fluid levels and conditions regularly. Always use the recommended fluid type to ensure optimal performance. Automated transmissions rely on the truck's air system to control shifting mechanisms. Moisture or debris in the air supply can lead to malfunctions. Drain your air tanks daily, especially in humid or cold conditions, and service the air dryer regularly to keep your semi-truck system clean and dry. The TCU, or Transmission Control Module, is essentially the brain of your transmission. Outdated software or internal errors can result in shifting delays or gear lockouts. Make sure your TCU software is up to date. Regular diagnostic scans can catch issues before they can become serious. Now that we've covered the most common issues, let's talk about how to prevent them. A little maintenance can go a long way in avoiding costly repairs and downtime. Your truck's owner manual contains all the recommended service and intervals for your transmission. Follow it religiously. Waiting for something to break can cost you more in the long run. Inspect wear and tear items like clutches, sensors, and airlines during regular maintenance. Many transmission issues start with problems in the air or electrical system. Keep both clean, dry, and functioning properly. Diagnostic tools can help you catch problems before they lead to a breakdown. Perform scans regularly to check for fault codes or calibration issues. Improper driving habits like over-revving or lugging the engine can put unnecessary stress on the transmission. Educate drivers on how to operate automated transmissions correctly. Automated transmissions can be a game changer for fuel efficiency and driver comfort, but they need proper care to perform their best. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.